Hey, this is Steve Worrell with an Outdoors First Gear Review. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the SeaKnight RAPID 3000H. This reel just showed up in the mail a couple days ago for review, and I'm impressed. Overall, first look, you're looking at 10 ball bearings and 1 anti-reverse bearing. They're sealed, so this is good in saltwater or fresh. This particular reel is a 3000 size, so in most freshwater anglers this would be applicable to walleyes, bass, and northern pike. The most impressive thing about the reel, at first glance, is the speed. It's 6.2 to 1, so very, very fast, extremely smooth. Aluminum spool, carbon fiber drag. That's important. The drag is very smooth, carbon fiber. One of the important things about the reel is the open rotor design. That keeps the reel very smooth. You'll also see that the spool is slotted, which sheds weight, and the body is slotted, which sheds weight. So the reel for a 3000 size is surprisingly light. The bail is nicely designed, real easy to disengage and engage. I don't even have the reel on a rod. It's no problem whatsoever. It's very positive. There's no question whatsoever that that bail is going to close properly. The SeaKnight RAPID 3000H spinning reel also features a large spool. What that does for you is cast smooth, and it'll also give you really good casting distance. The spool capacity is 6-pound line, 310 yards, 8-pound line, 210 yards. That means if you go up to 12 or 15-pound test, you'll still have plenty of line capacity, even with 17-pound. Super lines, of course, you're going to look at the equivalent of those pound tests. So if you get into a 15-pound test super line, you're going to have somewhere in the range of about 320 yards on this reel. The drag on the reel is a front drag, single click adjustable. So it's fairly finite, very, very smooth. As I said before, it's carbon fiber. Extremely smooth reel. Overall, if you're looking for a new spinning reel and you're going to be fishing for bass, pike, walleyes, etc., in a 3000 size reel, you need to take a look at the SeaKnight.